Hello my people, what's up? Hope you're doing well. My name is Dennis. Welcome again to another episode. So guys, today I'm in the area of Bombolulu, and I just want to give you an update of what is going on here in terms of this flyover that has been built in this area of Bombolulu workshop. Yeah, you can see that's the road that is coming from Mtwapa on the other side of North Coast, and it is heading to town. And this place is where the big flyover will be built, and you can see right now things are happening very well. What I can see is I can see some pillars. The foundation of the pillars have been already constructed, and one of the pillar is already going up on the other side. As you can see, we have cranes, we have workers over here, and the work here is going on very well in this area. Last time I was here, they were digging this the last pillar, the last hole of the pillar, and right now I can see they have already dug the hole, and already they have placed the steels and the foundation and everything. The concrete is up, is there, and just waiting for the pillars to go up. One of the pillars is already up. I'll show you in a minute. As you can see, this is the construction zone. Yeah, and this one here, this road is just a temporary road that they built for the vehicle to pass, because they have closed this side of the road. So they built this temporary road here for the vehicles to pass in an easy time, coming from the north coast going to the area of town. So guys, let me show you guys what is happening here, so that you can able to know and to see the update of this construction zone. So let me move to this side. So they constructed this another road here for the bikes and for the motorcycles to pass, because we just have two sections of the road. We have the one for the vehicles, and this one is for the pedestrians and for the motorbikes. So let me show you what is happening here, so that you can able to know what is going on here. You can see the pillars over there, yeah? And the construction is going on very well. We have cranes. Hey, this is nice. Wow, you can see all these pillars. This is the middle pillar which they are working on. You can see they are placing all those metals so that they can able to add some concrete there for the foundation of the pillar. Wow, this is nice. Look at that. Wow. So that's the pillars for the flyover here in Bombolulu. Wow. Look at that, guys. So this is what is going on here. You can see the foundation of the pillar already up, and the pillars have already been placed over there. So I think they are placing all these metals so that they can able to pour some concrete inside for them to be very hardened and in this round shape. Yeah, so work here is going on very well in terms of the construction of this pillar over here, construction of this flyover. And this one will reduce traffic so much in this area of Bombolulu, because most of the time this area is very notorious, but when they build this one here, it will be very nice. Wow. All of the way. The other pillar is on the other side. So I think we'll be having 3 pillars for this flyover. It's very nice. Look at that. Wow. So they're just working on the pillars to make sure that the pillars are good. Wow. So work here is going on very well. This is nice. You can see. Mambo, sister. Oh. Look at that. This is good. You can see the crane over here. Yeah, going on very well. So construction here is in a very high speed, guys. Wow. So the first pillar, this is the first pillar. You can see this is the first pillar on this side. So they are working on putting on the steels to make sure that this foundation of this pillar is very strong. Yeah. So this work here is, wow, these people are doing a very good job. Wow, this is nice. Very nice, eh? Like that. So I think when this foundation is done for the pillars and they put some concrete and the flyover is done, it will be very nice for these people of Bombolulu and for the people of Mombasa at large, because now traffic will be very easy. When the construction of the Mtwapa bridge is done and all these flyover are done, this road will be one of the famous and one of the best roads and highway in Kenya. So I can't wait for this flyover to be completed and all this road, the Mombasa Malindi highway, to be completed, and we just have fun driving very fast in these roads, eh? So this is what is happening here. Wow. Workers every day and night working on these pillars to make them to make sure that they are strong and they are ready to go. Wow, this is nice. This is amazing, guys. Wow. So guys, this is the update of what is happening in this part of Mombasa, where the flyover is being constructed here in this area of Bombolulu, right? Yeah, this is what is happening. You can see workers are working this place here like crazy. Wow. Wow. So this is the part of Bombolulu. This is the part of Bombolulu workshop. You can see still the highway is on this side. So this is the restriction area. You can see that. Yeah. You can see what is happening. That's the foundation, one of the foundations. Wow, this is nice. So the road will be, this is the road that takes you to the Mombasa town, and that's the section of where they are working on. Wow. So work here is happening and is going on in a very high speed. Wow, this is nice. So for those people who wanted to know what is happening here, and for those people who wanted to know the update of the construction of this flyover here in this area of Bombolulu workshop, this is what is happening here. One of the foundation is already up and they are just constructing the formation of pouring the concrete so that it can stand up for the next ones. And at the 3 pillars they are working on, and I think this flyover is going well and in a high speed to make sure that this road come again to life and there is no congestion of vehicles around this area. So work here is going on very, very well, and I'm so happy to see what is going on here in terms of the construction of this flyover here in Bombolulu. Wow. Oh, this is good. Wow. So that's the temporary road that they build to make sure that vehicle pass here very well. You can see that's the temporary road. Okay, so guys, now you know what is happening in this area of Bombolulu workshop, and the construction of this flyover here in this area of Bombolulu. And I think for those people who are away from Mombasa, when they come to Mombasa again, and for those people who are abroad, they are away from Mombasa where they are living, I think when they come again in this area of Mombasa, they'll be shocked because so much will be happening here and so much will change. They'll see changes in this area. Yeah, so wow. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be giving you an update of this flyover every time and again I come in this site, so that you can able to know what is happening here and in terms of the progress that is happening in this area of Bombolulu and other projects here in Mombasa. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next update. Bye bye.